Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make a beautiful animal shape using this syrup. First we're going to draw the shape of the animal. Now we're going to pour the liquid on the top of the outline like we're doing here. And look how pretty this is looking. Then we're going to add more lines and attach all of them together like this. Remember, you don't have to break it, so we are going to attach it from its outline as well and from the center, and look, it's ready. Here we are going to make this beautiful fish shape using sugar syrup. First we are going to make the liquid syrup here and put it on the top of the outline of the fish like this. This is a traditional sugar painting artwork, and look how pretty this is looking. Now let it dry, remove it, and look, it's done. We're going to make this dog painting using sugar here. First you have to melt this sugar and you will get this liquid syrup out of it. After this, make the outline of the dog and cover it, and look, it's ready. Here we are going to pouring this liquid sugar on the top of this big painting, and look how pretty this is looking. You can also spread it using a pointy object. Now we are going to attach all of them together, fill it at the center as well, let it dry, and look, it's done. Today we are going to make this rabbit sugar painting. So first draw the outline on this paper. Now take a spoon and take this liquid sugar and pour it on the top of the outline. Cover it from the center as well. Attach all of the joints together like we're doing here. Let it dry, and then we are going to remove it using a sharp object like this, and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.